I'm gonna hack his ass off, watch. Elmo's in here too, Elmo's in here. Oh shit.
User joined your channel.
Elmo, let's do this shit. 50 kill each, Elmo?
Hold on, wait. Was that on the video or was that...
I'm watching it now.
Okay.
Oh, hold on.
Watch this.
It crashed.
Wait. Oh, you crashed?
Hold on.
Alright. Yeah, Sylvian, hold on.
Damn, why
Yeah,
everybody microwave?
Okay.
Fuck. Am I the only ones who working?
No, his is red. So I think ours is not working.
It's a bit laggy. Oh, look at the ammo on his knife, he's running hacks.
Oh shit.
Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. BAM! Yeah!
No scope.
No, that wasn't a no-scope.
It's fucking laggy as fuck, man. It's like 1
Is it?
FPS.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright, I'll put it on YouTube.
Have you
Are
got
they streaming
Tango?
online? Wait,
Yeah.
where is it at?
Hold on.
No. Steam is only for him.
viewer. Send me the info.
I will.
TeamViewer is less laggy.
This shit is nobody gonna leave, eh?
It ain't even worth recording. I already played with GMs like 5 times.
Elmo, let's do this.
Damn it.
I swear to
Man, it's
God.
even worse than TeamViewer. What the fuck?
Is it? Alright, I'll just render.
Listen.
Let's do this, Elmo.
Yeah. What the fuck is laggy shit?
Alright, let's do this.
Man, what the fuck is up with these people?
Lucky I didn't. I'm only gonna play one more game, man, because I don't fucking hell. Can't believe you left.
Come on, let's go. Let's 2 more games. Come on.
I want a GM team.
Yeah, I'll
so
play one more. I'm waiting for
hack
you.
as much as y'all want.
Where are you?
The same room.
Hey, which GM is it? Oops.
Channel.
Cicada.